Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to our channel Practical Study Planet. If yet not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon for further updates. Today is our accounting lecture 3, special journals. We will study about the journals, special journals. There are some special regular transactions on daily basis in business, such as purchases returns, sales returns, cash receipts, cash payments, petty cash, bank receipts, bank payments, bill receivable, bills payable, PDC payment, PDC receipts. So special journals are the key to develop the accounting software, because these are the base on which accounting software is prepared. So let's study one by one all. In two ways we will study about it. First the manual and another software, accounting software. So now how we special journals is dealing with the in manual books of account, and how in the accounting software it will appear. So the purchases manual books of account, this is special journal formats in manual books of account, where all opposite to purchase accounts will be mentioned in one column and item purchase detail will be written in separate column, with the bill reference date wise, with the total amount of one purchase bill separately. As shown in the figure, separate ledgers will be prepared against each accounts used for purchase. Here in this example, sundry creditors will be separate due to credit purchases. So the cash account will be separate and one purchase ledger will be prepared with the final net total balance to be transferred to trial balance in debit column. So the purchases in accounting software, how it will be appear. So this is the general format, maybe the same change with minor as per the need of the company. Maybe these formats may be changed. This special journal format is according to accounting software, where opposite to purchase account, date, bill reference, voucher remarks, system number will be mentioned in separate boxes as shown in the figure, header side. And whereas the terms purchased to be mentioned, item to be mentioned in separate, whereas items purchased to be mentioned in separate column, unit by default, while creating the master item product master. So all the details in items will be mentioned over there, so automatically it will picked in the column. Quantity in separate column, discount item wise, tax item wise, costing upon items, if any, in separate column as shown in the figure. So the all purchases entries in the system to be proceed one by one separately, whereas all accounts used in the purchase vouchers will be automatically posted in their ledgers. Trial balance simultaneously. The advanced feature in this accounting software is that we also can check ready purchase register in software with a single entry only. So we can find the history of purchase, last rate purchase, which supplier providing which item and which rate. So that will be very helpful for us. So the purchase return, similarly the purchase return will be like that. So the accounting transaction will be reversed, you can see in the slide. Same way the purchase return will be in accounting software will be the reverse of the purchases in accounting software. So it will be debited, purchase debited, it will be credited. So the sales right now, manual books of account, sales how it will be appear. This special journal formats in manual books of account, where all opposite to sales account will be mentioned in one column and items sold details will be written in separate column, with the invoice reference date wise, with total amount of one sales invoice separately. Similarly, all ledgers will be prepared and ledgers will be prepared, accounts used in this register. So its credit balance will be transferred to net balance, will be credit side of the trial balance. So in accounting software, similarly, there is some specified windows for the sales. The format is shown in the figure. So in this one, you can see many options there. It is very easy, and all the entries will be automatically posted behind this posture while this entry posted. So the same time, all background entries will be performed. So same time, ledgers and trial balance will be prepared. Sales return opposite to the sales. The similarly transaction will be, but it will be sale return will be debit, as sale is credit, so sale return will be debit in trial balance. So in same way, in accounting software also the reverse of the sales invoice. So all the boxes will be same, but reason of return to write here, and the reversal entry, the stock in will be there, while in sales stock out, so sales return will be stock in. Now the cash journal book, manual book of accounts. There is cash receipts book, bank receipt book. You can see here in a figure there is a two format is shown. It is manual books of account. Cash journal book, manual book of account. Petty cash also is there. This is first one the receipt side, and the second one payment side. So on one page also can prepare on two pages for the detail and clear view. Cash journal, mostly people study in that one. So the 2-column cash book is over there, cash and bank. While this posting receipt and payment side, the receipt will be the debit, payment will be the credit side. So cash journal books, manual book of accounts for cash, 3-column cash book also there. So it will be like 3-column petty cash, cash and bank. This debit side, and there will be the credit side also. Debit side incoming will be written over there, credit side, debit side, and outgoing all will be written on credit side. So example is there. Can hold and see the example over there. So cash journal books in accounting software will be like that, cash and bank receipt. So the same window will be used for the cash receipt and bank receipt. So the account will be selected accordingly. If the cash is account, cash head office is here selected. If bank receipt is there, so it will be receipt or selected, the bank account will be selected over there. The format will be same. Similarly, cash and bank payment over there, same format will be there. So the here in body debit account will be there in because the bank and cash will be credited here. So similarly, the same window will be like that. One system software is petty cash payment voucher. It will be like that. The petty cash will be credited, so the debit expense account will be in one column. So the date mentioned over there, date and reference, each invoice have each voucher has a reference is there. This is contra payment also. Contra bank to cash is also contra. Cash to cash is also contra. Cash to bank, that is also contra. So there will be one separate window for the contra entry also. Similarly, while issuing, so the bank will be debited, credited, and the debit account will be which incoming. So if we withdrawing cash from bank, so bank will be credited and debit account will be cash. Similarly, if we are going to deposit deposit cash in the bank, so the bank account will be debited and the cash will be credited. There is one more option in the accounting software. There is a bills or PDC receivable in accounting. That is only the record, purposes. When the maturity date will come, then it will be realized in actually if received in, it will be cleared over there. So just if not yet research, just on the record purposes, it will be, there is one option in accounting software, post dated check or bank receipt and payment also. So the in receipt, the similarly the receipt entry, but it is just the record purposes, not the actual accounting transaction, but only the check received will be matured at its maturity date. Similarly the payment also, when we company is issuing check, so they are writing like that, making the payment voucher like, but it is not the actual payment. When our check cleared in the bank, so that time it will be cleared and posted. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and be connected with us for such informative videos.